Exam prep, time management, and productivity hacks. Examinations can feel both urgent and long. Pages grow, practice sets multiply, and minutes shrink. Solid planning can turn confusion into steady progress that actually sticks. With early habits, any student can lower stress and lift grades. Remember that support does not end in class. Some learners choose to pay to do my math homework to free up space for tougher topics. Using services like that saves hours for complex chapters and projects. Smart support can be part of an honest plan that respects energy. This guide brings together simple scheduling methods, productivity habits, and health routines. Each part links with the next, like small gears driving a larger engine. You will see how to manage time, protect attention, and keep energy steady. Follow these ideas to walk into every test prepared, calm, and confident. Setting clear goals. Strong plans start with clear outcomes. Time use begins with targets, because a clock without direction just spins. For every subject, list chapters, worksheets, lectures, and practice papers to master. Rank each item by importance and difficulty so choices stay sharp. Hard units deserve longer blocks, while short refreshers fit quick gaps. Writing priorities turns fog into checkpoints you can actually mark done. Estimating effort teaches how long each part might really take. Keep goals realistic by slicing big aims into small pieces. Change finish biology textbook into read pages 30 to 60 or label cell diagrams. Small milestones build motion, and completed steps fuel motivation. Set goals where they'll be visible and track progress regularly. Creating clear objectives can serve as the compass that guides every other tactic you implement. Crafting a realistic study schedule. Once targets are set, map them on a calendar. A workable schedule anchors progress yet should not feel like a cage. First, block fixed parts of life, including classes, work shifts, sports, and family duties. Those blocks reveal the true open time available for study. Divide open hours among subjects using the ranked list you prepared. Insert buffers to absorb surprises like pop quizzes or sudden visits. Add brief breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to refresh attention. Short pauses may look wasteful, yet they prevent burnout and errors. Use colors or digital planners to make balance easy to spot. Keep one golden rule in mind while planning your week. Overestimate task length and underestimate stamina to keep plans realistic. That small cushion turns an outline into a trackable daily routine. A humane schedule is one you can follow again tomorrow. Prioritizing tasks with the Eisenhower matrix. Even neat calendars overflow when everything feels urgent. Borrow a simple tool used by leaders. The Eisenhower matrix. It sorts tasks by urgency and importance into 4 boxes. The boxes are do now, plan, delegate, and delete. Placing each task into a box trains you to guide time with intent. Do now might mean last year's chemistry paper needed for tomorrow's quiz. Plan could hold essay outlines due the following week. Delegate can sound odd in school, yet teamwork can still help. Trade flashcards, divide research, or rotate roles during group reviews. Sharing work fairly moves some tasks off your plate without losing learning. Delete reminds you that low-value actions deserve no space at all. Rearranging highlighters is tidy, but it does not raise scores. Final review strategies before exam day. The last 48 hours call for strengthening what you already know. Begin with quick summaries for every subject area on the test. Create one-page sheets, formula lists, and compact timeline cards. Compressing content reveals weak spots that still need polish. Next, Rehearse under conditions that mirror the real exam. Set a timer, remove notes, and complete a full mock at a desk. That run checks knowledge and also trains pacing across sections. After scoring the mock, revisit each error without delay. Write a brief fix and a line explaining the mistake. The night before, skip heavy cramming and choose light review. Skim summaries, stretch gently, and pack needed gear neatly. Set out pens, pencils, calculators, and any chargeable watches allowed before setting an alarm clock to ensure restful nights of sleeping. Achieving this through regular bedtime scheduling is key. Walk into the room with calm breath and a clear plan. Good time use does not stop at the door, it guides each minute. Steady pacing, steady focus, and steady energy carry you through.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.